Start recording. Okay, so now as you can see, we have this. It's two ESP 8266 and they operating on ESP now, communicate without Wi-Fi, without without any other method except ESP peer-to-peer. Okay, it's an internal system that ESP do have. Okay, so and you can see this is antenna. Okay, but some of them have a little. You can put an extended antenna as well. Okay, so this has a buzzer, an LED, and a 220 ohm resistor. This is a railing, 5 volt and ground, and I ground the buzzer. Remember, the buzzer's got a positive here. That means positive goes to the GPIO. And in this case is a GPIO 6. And just hold on a second. A GPIO 5, it's the LED. Yeah. LED is GPIO 5 and the buzzer is GPIO 6. All right. So, and this is a Hall sensor. It's a magnetic sensor that picks up the magnetic field and will control the LED and the buzzer when I do this. Okay, from distance, as you can see. Okay. Okay, now let's try to put the sounds of the buzzer. Hope you can hear it. Okay, so this is the sensor, and you can see here it has a negative. Okay, so that's a negative, and this has got an S here, which is signal. Now this pin goes to the GPIO. In this case, is a D2. The middle one goes to VCC, and this one, as you see, negative. This one, the first pin goes to the ground. So, and there it is. You have a ground. You have, sorry, it goes out of focus because I'm putting my finger there. So, you see this is extension of GPIO D2 from the VMOS. Goes all the way to the signal. Then you have the VCC, which is on the railing, it's 5 volt, and you have the ground, okay, which is also a railing, and if you can see here, it says 5 volt, and it says ground, and then it says here D2, the pin on D2. And you can see it's picking up from D2 GPIO all the way to the signal. Okay. And the receiver will have the resistor. You can see it's a 220 ohm. It will go on the railing. Okay, this is the negative, the ground railing, and you can see here it says ground and 5 volt. Okay, so this is a railing, brings the current all the way down. The buzzer, you can see the buzzer has got the sign here, positive. Okay, so this goes to the GPIO, in this case D6, because D5 is to the long leg of the LED. The shorter legs of the LED here goes to the resistance, and the resistor goes to the ground. Okay, so, and here the negative goes to the ground, and the positive goes to the signal, the GPIO, so they can communicate with the memory of this chip. Alright, so it's pretty simple. and yeah, you can see the pin. D means digital. Okay, there is a 3 volt, but I'm not using the 3 volt. And yeah, this is analog, the only analog pin. I only have this mini Pro D1 ESP 8266 has only one analog. Okay, so I think we're not using the analog now. Okay, so the other things on the senders, on the sender sketch. Okay, it's very important. You see this one here, broadcast ADDR. Okay, now this broadcast and read all the MAC address. Normally, ESP Now sends data to a specific MAC address which works peer-to-peer. But in this case, you can also send to a broadcast address using this formula, FF, alright? And it will communicate to all the other MAC addresses that you might have. So, it means that all ESP Now devices, with this formula, in range can receive the messages without needing to add each one as a peer. Okay, hope this makes sense.